not this first right turn. I'm just moving slightly to the center line because of this learner here, and I'm checking my mirrors now, signaling right.
Turn right.
And I'm going into Aitchison Court. This is where the test will finish, and it is clear for me to go. And like I've mentioned in my previous videos, they might tell you to park up on the left here. You could stop here, or you go round. I have seen other scenarios where they have made one of my learners park up in front of the silver car.
Turn right, A8010.
So we're just going round here.
You have reached your destination.
And they might tell you to go and park him in one of the bays, and they'll say, look, you don't need to, this is not a maneuver, you don't need to be in between the white lines.
Turn right.
So don't hesitate not to go in between the white lines,
turn right.
because they've mentioned it to you. But I am going into the white lines here, and I can stop here, and once you stop here, they'll tell you to secure the car, which I'm going to do right now, and they'll tell you to switch off the engine.